Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can schedule a post on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just don't be in Facebook, you need to download Business Suite from Google Play or whatever. And then you will get to your page. And when you're going to be here on your page, you just want to simply click the middle button of like write a post in right bottom. Then write something here like 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter. And now when I'm going to do it, click next. And then I have like publishing options here and let's click publish now. And I can simply click schedule later. And I can change the schedule time from today to 18th of December, right? And then also change the time, right? Set date. And this is pretty much it how I do it. It's like really simple and really easy. And yeah, so again, to repeat the whole tutorial, you need to be in Business Suite. You won't be able to do it in Facebook. And when you're going to be here, click on the middle button, write a post here. Click next, publishing options, schedule later. And then you just schedule it and then you post the post. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. These things are really simple and I wanted to make this video quick. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.